Hello Henry, it's Mark at Taylor & Son Chevrolet shooting a video for you on the 2013 Cadillac Escalade Luxury Sport. This has the 6.2 liter V8. And here's a shot of the engine compartment for you. I've got it running. Rained last night, but I know the glass on this is excellent. The headlamps are excellent as well. Front grille looks great. I don't see any imperfections in the bumper. Oh, there is a little touched up area right here, a scratch. Lower lamps look good. Here's a shot of the front right tire and wheel. These are P285 45R22s. Does have the roof rack with the cross members and a sunroof. Little rub here that just looks like that'll come off, but there is some light scratches right there on the corner of the mirror too. Running board looks great. This is the right rear tire and wheel. It's like the spare's never been on the ground. It's got the rear park assist sensors. Back glass and tailgate, lift gate look excellent. This is the left rear tire. And wheel. I don't see scratches and door dings on the sides. It looks really good. This is the front left tire and wheel. Moving inside. Door looks excellent. Shot of the sill. Driver's seat bolster. Driver's seat looks great as well. This leather looks like it's in really good condition, Henry. The mileage is 64,958. This does have navigation as well. Moving to the rear passenger seat, this is the door. Does have the buckets in the second row. And this leather is in really good condition also. It's got the dark carpet and it's in really good condition. Power rear liftgate. There's the right side rear passenger seat, second row. Shot of the third row seat back here. And finally, front right passenger. Center console, USB port in the lower portion of that as well. And there you have it, Henry. I'm going to get this video uploaded, get it into Lauren. She'll get it over to you, and then we'll follow up to make sure that you received it and see if you have any questions. Thanks, Henry.